Hello, I'm EK. Welcome to Canghong's site at the 133rd Canton Fair. This year, we'd like to introduce the 6th series of products to you. Cold stove, side-by-side, upright freezer, low frost, beverage cooler, and retro, of which the most striking one is the cold stove refrigerator. Cold stove refrigerator is elegant structures and appearance, family design, similar westernized and similar handles. They are latest industrial design trends. They are really attractive. The refrigerators provide 4 doors and 3 temperature zones with independent electronic controls. We call it Care Plus space. It is a variable temperature zone, 3 modes, vegetables 7 degree centigrade, froze 4 degrees centigrade, and chiller 0 degrees centigrade. The refrigerators are designed with side air outlet to prevent the food from air drying caused by the direct cold air balloon, and stackable lids to help cool down the temperature in a faster and more uniform manner. They provide a high classless and more freshness space. At present, we have developed 3 new booths of 400 liters, 500 liters, and 600 liters, fitting you balance needs. Changhong mini cold stove refrigerator makes the better life coming. Next, my peddler will show you our new wash products.